What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. We're trying something new. We've got a Mutu Actor. It's a magnet for magnet fishing. So we're here on actually a snowmobile bridge. This is my first time magnet fishing. Have you ever been magnet fishing?
Never.
Didn't think so.
Never in my life.
Look at this beautiful orange rope.
That is a pretty beautiful orange rope.
It is nice. I'll do it off this side.
Yeah, do it off that side.
We'll just drop it down first.
Stick my
You
finger, sorry.
sticking, dude.
It's a little slippery.
We'll drop it down. It's...
Dropping it.
Here we go. Let's drag it along the bottom.
Woo!
I don't expect to get...
There's a frog.
Really?
I don't know. Maybe.
It almost feels like it's magnetizing to stuff, but I couldn't tell you.
Maybe it is. Maybe it's not.
Did we get anything? Probably not. Got rocks.
Really?
Why are these rocks magnetic?
Maybe it's iron.
Dude!
Maybe it's iron.
That's actually pretty cool. What if we went under the bridge?
Where we can't see?
Yeah. That sounded good. Whoa! Don't lean on that.
I can't find it. Where? I can't. Oh, the screen flipped. That's why I couldn't understand.
got
You got a stick.
I almost had a stick. What is that? Yo, we got some wire.
Ooh.
Whoa! Let's do it over here now.
For sure.
Go down on the bank. There's a piece of metal down here. I'm gonna try and grab actually.
There's a piece of metal right there.
Might not be strong enough.
Oh, oh. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Whoa! This bridge was originally made out of, I think, the bed of a trailer.
That looks like a...
Yeah, this would have been a floor vent
Yeah.
to a trailer.
That's crazy.
That is pretty cool. Nice find.
Nice find. Do you think those white chunks... I don't know if you could see it on the camera.
I don't
There's
know.
one... There's one right there where my finger
It
is.
looks
And
like
there's one like
plastic.
right there. I can't tell if it's plastic or if it's like a
Yeah.
piece of like
reach down
little
and
metal or
grab it.
something.
No, it's plastic.
Dang.
Yeah, it's plastic.
Dang.
Alright, let's toss it out later. What are you filming, Jesse?
I don't know.
Make sure you film.
Sorry.
It's alright.
I was distracted.
My cameraman in training. Maybe one day I'll hire you, Jesse.
Maybe.
Maybe, you know? Wouldn't that be something?
If the Lord tarries. That's what they say all the time at school. If the Lord tarries.
Why does this ground feel magnetic?
It's all made of iron. It's all iron.
You live in a
Sorry,
world
I
of
put
metal.
my finger in front of the camera for a second. That was not be.
What if everything was metal instead of
That'd be
that?
What's the name of the planet the Transformers are from?
Cybertron.
Cybertron.
Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't really expect to find anything here, but
Nothing that we can't already see, at least.
I'm
With
afraid
just
I'm gonna
our
fall
eyes.
through this wood. Yeet. Drag it around in the dirt a little bit. I do believe a long time ago, down this stream a little bit, there was like a mill of some sort. Like a water wheel or like a grain mill or something. I don't quite remember, because where we are, there used to be like 1,800 people. There's probably now like 100 or less. But you know, that's fine. What if I threw it all the way out there?
If you feel
Lead?
led by the Lord to do that.
Wow.
That's
Stopped right there.
a bit tangled up.
This seems like it was magnetizing, dude. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing, dude.
I mean, neither of us have been magnet fishing before, so.
Yeah, this is a whole new learning experience. Maybe I'll get a stronger magnet eventually.
Maybe we'll find a gun. I'm holding on to that. Holding on to that.
Let's go back to this side over here.
Look at this. Our beautiful find.
Look at the detail on that.
Look at the detail on that.
Wow. Is that a dead cow? What is that? Thought there was a dead crawfish or something.
There's a dead crawfish.
Oh boy.
Have we exhausted this location?
Nah, not yet. Let's go back
Not
to
yet.
the other side.
For sure, for sure.
I'm telling you, man. Look at all those ferns over there. Look how big those are.
Maybe we should just toss it into the ferns.
Maybe.
Probably not.
I've seen deer laying in there before. As I was walking across this bridge.
Are deer magnetic?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just totally didn't think about what I was saying.
What was that?
Oh, hey, I forgot. I have steel toe shoes.
Ooh.
Look at
Oh,
that.
we could find out if these
Show
are
'em,
we could
Jesse.
find out if these are composite or if these are steel.
Wow, that's strong.
Probably.
It's
They're
steel!
steel!
Yo!
How far are you gonna toss it?
As far
as
the Lord will allow it.
as far as the Lord will allow.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Oh jeez!
Took it all.
It took it all. The Lord really wanted us to throw that thing pretty far, I guess.
Oh man.
Are crawfish big?
We could see. Maybe they're built different. You never know.
You're so right. Get anything with that?
I don't think so.
Just iron ore. Not very much.
Rocks.
Such a nice noise.
Beautiful. What if we yeeted it over to the bank there?
Maybe.
The Lord might take this whole rope again. Ooh. The force on that. I heard something about it not being safe to eat freshwater fish because of so much mercury in the water or something.
Could be. Big iron ore.
Why is it green?
Iron. Maybe it's feldspar.
Feldspar. What's
That's the most. It's the most common rock on planet Earth. I learned that in Earth and Space.
Really? Look at that rock. Can you see how it's green?
See how it's green?
Can you actually see how it's green?
I think so.
Like,
it's kind of hard to tell whether or not it's green,
Tilted
but they can
down.
definitely see it.
oh yeah, look at that.
Is that green or is that just algae?
Could be algae, but it looks green. So we're gonna move on to the other spot.
All right.
We'll be back
Eventually.
in a minute here.
All right.
So Jesse's gonna do it this time.
I'm gonna try.
Yep.
I'll do my best.
Bro, you could throw it way out
I
there.
don't think you mean that.
No. There's crawfish down there. You probably can't see them. Nope, definitely not. But they're like
I
3
see 'em.
inches long.
I see him.
No,
Oh, I was
it's like
like,
camera, bro. There's
Alright.
some metal down there.
I'm
I
just
see
gonna
it.
drop it for now.
Okay. What are you doing? Could drag it all the way across the bottom there. I see some metal down there, but will this camera stop adjusting with the horizontal lock?
I know. I noticed that.
That's so annoying.
Pull her up.
Bugs?
I couldn't tell. Probably just an inch.
Big rock.
Rock. Good thing I was holding it. Could have just sent this whole thing flying.
You could have. How's it going down there?
Oh. Grabbing rocks.
Sweet. Oh my goodness. No, nothing.
Nothing. This is not. It's not have as much iron in it as
No.
before.
Remember, it's the first time, so we don't know what we're doing. What you did before.
Oh!
Jesse.
Oh! Golly!
Oh my word.
I didn't think it was that strong. Gosh.
Not too shabby.
Gotta wait for something to bite. Gotta wait for a little nibble.
Sweet.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no, that was just the rope dragging.
Nice stuff.
See? Now just more rocks. Let me try on this other side.
All right, let's do it. Do you see anything in there?
Not really. Oh.
Is that a stick? That's a
Gotta
stick.
swing it.
Swing low, sweet chariot. Nice. Whoa, look at those bubbles.
Means there's a gator down there. You see a bubble trail? Means there's a gator. It's true.
I didn't know that.
That's because you aren't cool. You're not a gator loving freak like me.
I mean, you live in Florida most of the year, but
It's true, exactly. I wrangle them all the time. I'm a gator wrangling freak.
yup.
Nope.
Go with that.
I want to catch that gator.
You know, that wasn't that bad, actually. I just wasn't filming it. That's the problem.
Was it just with me standing there going,
Yeah, pretty much. Nothing, as far as I can see. But we haven't lost hope.
all right, again?
Yeah, do it. Why not?
Let's try to get further this time. And 2 and a 1. Oh. Go.
Yeah, that was
thought you didn't
sweet.
have it. How you doing? Come here often? I know you do. You ever been magnet fishing? I have. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out. Bright blue skies. The sun's shining. Stars are shining. See that right there? That's a star. You just can't see it. You see another star too. It's right there.
On that note.
My throat wouldn't stop wheezing like that. I don't know why. Ooh, I got two more rocks.
Wow.
Big find, big find.
Man, we're rocking.
We're rocking. Let me see if I can get some sick rocks right on the shore.
Maybe. Oh, yeah, that was good.
Drag it along and drag around. Catching them gators.
I did see a piece of metal on the other side. We should hook it and see what it is.
You're so right, Ben.
Let's do it.
Nope, just a couple.
Right there, you see it?
Oh. I'll get that thing. Looks like an elbow. My bad. Sorry, guys. Sorry. My bad. That one was a lot easier to get off than when it was just straight on the top.
Bro, I couldn't tell you.
Okay. Oh, I was just a little short. My bad.
Just a little bit.
Just a touch short. I'm pulling the wrong part.
You know, we could walk down there, but we don't want to
That
walk.
defeats the point of fishing.
I know, right? Okay, now drag it.
Here's how you really fish. You overshoot.
What, stick? Is that plastic? Might be plastic, actually.
You swing it. And I'll get it.
I think it's plastic.
Remember that time we helped the environment in one of my videos?
Yeah, I remember that.
I think that might be plastic.
Yeah, it sounds like plastic. Wait.
Right. Time to drag. Probably not getting much when I drag it that fast.
Probably not, no. In fact, probably nothing.
I'll get something.
Maybe. You never know.
Even if it's just a rock.
Yeah.
I'll get something. Buckaroo.
We'll get it. What are you dancing down there for?
There's a gator. I got it. I got it.
You think you could get it further?
Hmm?
Think you could get it further?
Even further than what
Yeah.
I just threw?
Throw it even harder.
Oh yeah. I'll just chuck it. Like a baseball.
Alright.
I don't want to do that. I feel that I'm going to... I know this probably is not going to break.
Probably not. I mean, it's surrounded by the metal, but... You never know. You can throw it.
Shut up.
I'll buy another one. That's fire.
Put iron in my eye. Don't look at my tummy.
We'll blur that. If I figure out how to blur it.
I'll figure out how to. I'll fix it in post. We'll fix it in post.
Over the shoulder shot. Look at that action.
Flex my traps.
This is the give some action to it, Jesse. This is the thumbnail. Flex those muscles. Yeah, look at that. The definition in those arms. All right. Now it's
Can't
down
tell
here.
if it's out of the water.
It is.
It's okay. It's very out of the water.
Nothing.
Don't feel like that.
McChungus. It's on there. Your hand. You're magnetic. Are you the Iron Man?
Am I the Iron Man?
Yeah.
Fire all the drones now. That's beautiful.